Welcome to everyone in my channel. Today's topic is Google digital advertising. Let's start. Google digital advertising. Google digital advertising ecosystem has become a cornerstone of online marketing, offering a diverse range of tools and platforms for businesses to reach their target audiences. This expansive landscape includes services like Google Ads, Google AdSense, and Google Display Network, each playing a crucial role in the online advertising sphere. Number one, Google Ads. Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords, is Google's primary advertising platform. It allows businesses to create and run ads on the Google search engine and its advertising network. With Google Ads, advertisers bid on specific keywords to have their clickable ads appear in Google search results. This pay-per-click model ensures that advertisers only pay when users click on their ads, making it is a cost-effective and measurable advertising solution. Number two, Google AdSense. With Google Ads targets advertisers, Google AdSense creates to websites publishers. AdSense enables websites owner to display targeted ads on their sites, earning revenue based on clicks or impressions. Google's advanced targeting algorithms analyze the content of the web page to deliver relevant ads, creating a seamless and personalized user experience. Number three, Google Display Network. The Google Display Network extends the reach of advertising beyond search results. It encompasses a vast network of websites, apps, and videos where advertisers can display visual ads. Google Display Network allows of various ad formats including image ads, video ads, and interactive ads, providing advertisers with versatile options to engage their businesses. Number four, YouTube advertising. As a subsidiary of Google, YouTube is a significant player in digital advertising. Advertisers can leverage YouTube ads to reach a massive audience through video content. From skippable ads to non-skippable ads and sponsored videos, businesses can choose formats that align with their marketing goals. Number five, Google Shopping. Free e-commerce businesses, Google Shopping provides a dedicated platform to showcase products directly in search results. Products listing include details such as images, prices, and store information, allowing users to make informed purchasing decisions without leaving the search result page. Number 6. Mobile advertising. Given the increasing percentage of mobile devices, Google has adapted its advertising platforms to create to mobile users. Mobile advertising on platforms like Google Ads ensures that businesses can connect with their audience on smartphones and tablets, optimizing the user experience for smaller screens. Number 7. Analytics and measurement. Google's commitment to data-driven advertising is evident in its robust analytics and measurement tools. Advertisers can access detailed insights into campaign performance, users' behavior, and conversion metrics. This data-driven approach enables businesses to define their strategies for better results. Conclusion. In conclusion, Google's digital advertising ecosystem offers a comprehensive suite of tools and platforms, empowering businesses to connect with their target audience effectively. From search ads to display and video advertising, Google provides a versatile and data driven environment for advertisers to achieve their marketing objectives. Understanding and leveraging these tools can significantly enhance a brand's online presence and drive success in the dynamic world of digital marketing.